This is
Maria,
Kobe, and Abraham. We would like to ask for the donation of $1,600 for a 3D printer. We could print bookmarks with kind notes to give out to nursing homes and hospitals.
we could make kindness letters that have kind messages on them, and then we could also build tools for hospitals and nurses.
Thank you for the opportunity of asking you for this.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I am D'Angeli, and I'm here with my friends Camila, Hattie, and Elsie. And we are here from Oak Grove Elementary.
And we are here to bring to you why our school should have a 3D printer. We need $1,600, and we are going to buy a 3D printer for our school.
We'll use it to spread kindness around our community. This grant is not only for our benefit of kindness, but to spread spirit for others to notice Oak Grove, therefore spread our community as well.
We think that the 3D printer would be good for our school because we will use it for good things, like bookmarks for the books and flashcard holders.
Or we could also print Oak Grove OGE croc charms for our fellow friends that have crocs. And maybe we can make some keychains for backpacks that are including OGE stuff.
Maybe some fidgets or keychains to hang on your backpacks to spread the community.
And things that have kindness words on them to spread kindness around our community.
Whatever we do, it's gonna spread kindness. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!
Hi, this is Dixie, Marcella, and Davida. We go to Oak Grove Elementary School. We are trying to ask for $1,600 for a 3D printer for our school. Having this 3D printer will allow us to create some very cool things.
We plan to use the 3D printer to make items that are helpful for our school. For an example, we can use the 3D printer for making new bookmarks and posters and book stands. We thank you for the opportunity to get the money for a 3D printer and to make the world a better place.
Bye!
Dear Lumpy's Legacy, I'm Clarissa, and me and my friends are Olivia and Elton.
And we need $1,600 for a 3D printer. Could you donate $1,600, please? We could print things that otherwise would take a while to make. We could print things for hospitals and more.
Thank you. That means thank you in Vietnamese.
Signed by Clarissa,
Olivia,
And Elton.